at the trees, so big and tall. They give us shade, they help us all. The leaves are green, they clean the air. Thank you, trees, for being there. The rivers flow, the water's clear. It keeps us cool and brings us cheer. The fish swim by, splash, splash, hooray! Let's keep the rivers clean each day. The flowers bloom so bright, so sweet, so sweet. With buzzing bees, they're a treat. They give us colors, red, yellow, and blue. Thank you, flowers, for all you do. The birds sing songs up in the sky, flying so high, oh my, oh my. Chirp, 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 they say hello. Nature is lovely, don't you know? So let's protect the earth each day. Pick up trash and never stray. Love the trees, the sky, the sea. Nature is our friend, you'll agree.
Thanks for watching. If you love this rhyme, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical melodies.